Fiverr one-on-one. What one-on-one means is that I, as a trainer, will take you one-on-one. We call to guide you. By WhatsApp, I'm going to guide you one-on-one, just only you, on how to set up your Fiverr profile and to do everything on Fiverr. For Fiverr, I've done a series of videos about Fiverr and how you can go there and begin to offer your skill for sale. But despite that, some people still need to be taken one-on-one so that they can really get into the nitty-gritty. I am available for that. If you are interested in the one-on-one, where every step that you get to, I am going to tell you the next thing to do, the next thing to do, the next thing to do. You can get in touch with me by calling 080-369-10-988, and then we are going to discuss on how much you are going to pay, how much I'm going to charge, and then we can start the one-on-one. I'm telling you, by the time you start this Fiverr one-on-one, no matter the amount you pay, in the next 3 months, you are going to get your money back, or less than 3 months. And if you don't get your money back and you follow all the steps I've given you, I am going to return your money back to you. I'm going to be waiting for your WhatsApp message. Please just send me a WhatsApp message if you're interested, and please share this video and like this video. I have series of free videos about Fiverr. I've made about 10 videos about Fiverr. Everything you need to know about Fiverr is there on this YouTube channel. Go there and watch the videos if you don't have money. In fact, if you still want the one-on-one, you still need to watch all those videos I have made first. I understand them. Then you need somebody to push you and to pull you until you get to where you need to get to make money on Fiverr. So I'll be waiting for your WhatsApp message. Until then, bye for now.